Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about set union, or we are going to talk about, let's say in other words, how to combine two sets to create a new set. Now we are having two sets here, set 1 and set 2. Set 1 is having 1, 2, 3, and set 2 is having 3, 4, and 5. So this number 3 is in set 1 and it is also in set 2. In order to combine them, I'm having x variable being declared and I'm having set1 pipe operator and then set2. So this line is going to combine these two sets for us, set1 and set2, and here I'm showing the message union using pipe operator and then printing out the X set for the user in the terminal. We see the output. So in the output, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the sets are combined. But what happened? Here we see only 1 tree. We had 1 tree here and we had 1 tree here. Why we are not having 2 trees in the output when we are combining two sets? The reason is this. We learned in the introduction video that sets do not allow repetition and duplicate values in themselves. So this is why the set, when it is combined to form a new set, it is not taking two values that are the same. So this is why in the output we are seeing only one tree value, because sets do not allow duplicate values. There is another way to combine sets. The other way is like this. So we can either use pipe operator to make the union, or we can use the union function simply. We type down the name of our first set, then the union, and in parentheses, we type down the name of the second set. And this is assigned to our variable called y. Now I'm typing down the message union using union function, and I'm printing this y for myself in the output. So we see in the output the sets are having the same elements, and in this case also we are not having two number 3 being printed in the output for the reason that I mentioned. It's your choice, either using pipe operator or using the union function. Both of them can help us to create a new set based on two already sets that we are having. Thank you for watching.